All right. Today we are taking out the outhouse. It must go. Did I already lock it back in?
I don't think you did. Did you?
I think you did. Well, we'll know in a minute. Not quite. I gotta pull forward a little bit.
Okay. More down?
Yeah. You want to check that hook for me? There you go.
Okay, just slowly tighten it.
Here we go.
Ooh, perfect. Nice.
You move the log between the tire, I'll try to drag this puppy down the hill here.
Okay. Perfect.
Not sure where I want to take it.
Maybe that way a little bit? I just keep going straight. And they're getting a little, okay, they're gonna start going down the hill right there. That's what we call using our brains. We're still rolling. You want me to keep it going?